Hey guys. Okay, we're gonna make sausage balls just a tiny different. I have seen them where they're making them with the Red Lobster stuff, so we're gonna try them today. Hopefully Jeff won't notice any difference. So we've got our one pound thing of sausage. We're gonna put our pack of biscuit mix. And now this, I have seen some add this packet, the flavor packet, to this. I'm not going to do that, guys, because y'all know Jeff's picky. And I've seen some mix it with melted butter and then brush it over them after they get done. We're not going to do that either, because Jeff's picky. So we're just going to stick with just using the biscuit mix. And we are changing up on our cheese. I like to try different things. This is a package of Fiesta blend instead of just regular old cheddar cheese. I did a package of mix of both. So now we've got our cheese. We've got our Cheddar Bay biscuit mix, which I know is not really Cheddar Bay biscuit mix without this, but we're going to use it anyway. So we're going to see. And guys, I just go in with my hand. I know Sunny likes to mix hers. I mix by hand because it's just easier that way. But, do y'all tell me what y'all do with sausage balls, or do y'all make them, or have you ever seen where they use that, and have you ever tried any? It's just interesting, you know, what everybody cooks with and how different we cook and all the different things, you know? It's just different. Just different. Trying not to mess up my other hand, but this hand may get tired. But it's just like mixing up biscuits, but a lot harder. Now, you can put just a little bit of water. I've never had to when I mix them by hand. It takes a while to just get them all mixed, but I've never had to add a little bit of water or milk or anything to them. So we're just going to keep mixing and keep mixing. Christy's never made them. Thank you, Miss Sylvia. Thank you, thank you. I'll tell you, it's been I don't know if it's because yesterday was such a busy day, and the day before was busy, and the day before was busy. Today has just been work slowly and just enjoy the day. I went over and I cooked chicken and rice for us all today. So we took that over to Sonny's and ate over there. And I played with the babies a little bit. But then I come on home and I've just kind of taken my time. Enjoyed the day. Might wind up having to get this other hand in. But it's getting mixed. It's mixing. It mixes slowly when you do it by hand, guys. It's not a quick deal. And you know what I've thought about doing? Never tried this. I might have to try it. Is mixing it in a food processor. I mean, your sausage is already smushed up anyway. I'm going to have to try that. I don't know if it'd make your sausage balls a different texture, but it would seem like the taste would be the same. So I'm going to have to try that. I am going to have to try that. Okay, it's getting mixed up. See, it's getting there. It's getting there. Getting there. But anyhow, guys, I'm not going to keep y'all on until I make all the sausage balls. Anyway, I just wanted to show you my new way of going to do it today. I'm going to try it. Y'all know I like to try different things. I guess especially when I'm not the one going to eat it. Oh, Lord. But Jeff was he was actually wanting some cheese straws, and I was going to make him some. And yesterday at the house, he said, Sonny, I just really want some cheese. Do we have any cheese? Or we need to get cheese next time we go to the store. And I said, well, I bought a block of sharp cheddars in there in the refrigerator, but I got them to make your cheese balls. And he got up and went and got it. He said, you just make the sausage balls. I'll eat this cheese. So he ate the cheese, so I don't have to make cheese straws this time. Although cheese straws, guys, are real easy to make too. I make them more like in a biscuit than a straw, but it's all just based on the shape you make them in. You can roll you out little snakes and then smash them flat, and then you've got a straw. But anyhow, okay, it's getting mixed up. See, look, getting mixed up. I'm gonna turn the camera down just a little bit now so we can see. And see how I just kept turning it, smushing it, squeezing it in my hand, and it's all mixed up. So now then all we do after that, guys, now some people use like a little, like the thing you make the watermelon balls and stuff out of. I don't. I just take a little bit, whatever feels right in my hand, and just make circles like this. Now you can, once you get them made, put them in the freezer for about 10 minutes, and they say that they stay in the ball shape better, but I've never done that either. I just go ahead and cook them. I've got my oven on 350, cook them about 25 minutes or so, because you want your sausage to get done. So, anyhow, I'm going to jump off here, finish making all these, and then we'll come back when Jeff tastes them, or Sonny tastes them, or Blue tastes them, or somebody besides Debbie, because I don't like them. I don't like them. So, I'll come back. But you just place them on your cookie sheet. Now, these you don't have to place far apart like this, guys, when you make sausage balls, because they're not going to rise or anything. They're just, you know, what they are. So, these might fluff out just a little bit because this cheddar-based stuff. But I mean, you usually use Bisquick. Bisquick rises, so to speak. So, I don't think you have to, you know, worry with placing them too far apart. But anyway, did everybody have a good Christmas? Y'all tell me on here. Oh, it's Miss Venice on here. Yeah, the boys eat them and Jeff loves them. The boys eat them and Jeff loves them. I really don't know if Sonny eats them or not. I don't. Hey, Miss Libby. I don't eat them. It's not my, I guess, not my flavor profile, I guess. Of course, I used to wouldn't eat sausage at all, but guys, I do eat sausage now. Not a whole lot, but I do eat it. Like, I love a good sausage sandwich with, you know, with mayonnaise, mustard, and cooked onion. That's good. But I'm picky about the sausage. I don't want a big fat one. Awesome, Miss Rita. You have used it, Miss Debbie, because that's what we're using today. That's what we're using today. I've seen it, so I wanted to try it. I don't know. We're going to see if Jeff notices a difference. I'm hoping he doesn't, because he's very picky. Papa Jetta eat them. Papa Jetta eat them. So if Jeff don't like them, if he's picky and don't like them, and the boys don't want them, Papa Jetta eat them. He loves them. He loves anything but mac and cheese. And he's not too fond of pasta at all, but he don't eat mac and cheese at all. And he usually doesn't eat spaghetti, but he likes our homemade spaghetti because he doesn't like pasta. So, and I love pasta. Love it. Love it, love it. Good, Miss Carolyn. I'm glad y'all had a good one. Tired of cooking? I don't know that I ever get tired of cooking. I get tired where I don't want to be on my feet cooking, but really good. Well, good. Good then, because just fixing to get a chance to try it. We're making sausage balls, but we used the Red Lobster stuff today. Instead of Bisquick, we used the Red Lobster because I've seen it everywhere. Y'all know I like to try sometimes stuff that I'm not going to eat, and I won't have to worry about if it changes the taste. But we'll see. We'll see. But anyhow, I'm going to jump off here. I love cooking too, Miss Judy. Hey, Miss Venice, man, I've been missing you. I miss church. Miss y'all, miss all y'all. Tell everybody I said hey. But I'm going to get these rolled up, guys, and then get them cooked and get them on over to Jeff so he can enjoy them. And then I will be in the craft room tonight, so y'all be watching for that. And that's about it today. Been one of them. Well, thank you, Miss Rita. We had so much fun. I'm going to tell y'all guys, we had so much fun yesterday. Those games were so fun. I think my very favorite, was the cotton ball one. That was so funny watching everybody try to do it. That was fun. That was fun. The ingredients, okay, it's 1 pound. Thought I had my sausage. Like the 1 pound thing of sausage. And you can use hot, mild. We use mild around here. And we like Jimmy Dean's if we can find it. And then you put, today I put 1 package of this. Now, if you use Bisquick, you use 2 cups of Bisquick. This is not quite 2 cups, but it's still okay. And then I use 1 package, like this 8-ounce package of cheese. And today I tried Fiesta Blend. I do have cheddar cheese in there, but I just want to try something different. So it's real simple. I mean, so the 1 thing of sausage, 1 package of either Cheddar Bay or 2 cups of Bisquick, and then 1 package of cheese. Boom. Mix them up. It's hard to mix them. Now, if you're mixing them by, like, using a whisk or a spoon or something, you might want to put just a touch of water in it just to make it easier to stir. But if you mix them by hand like I did, I just squeezed them in my hand. I didn't add anything. Just use the regular ingredients. All right. I love you, and we will be back later to show y'all if they like them or not. Okay? Love you guys. Bye. Hey, Miss Virginia. I know where you from. Bye, guys.